The next step is to add the other foundation wall here, and a step that will be on the same side as this step here. In project browser, level 1, and then we can select the existing one, the existing wall, left click, right click, create similar. Then location line, wall central line is important. That wall needs to go down to top of footing, so depth, top of footing, wall central line, and we can create that wall snapping to intersection of the grids. Then here, and here. Okay, then we need to clean up the corners, same as before. Select the wall, find the blue dot, right click, disallow join, then move out and move in, and that should fix it. Okay, the same this one, select it, zoom in, blue dot, right click, disallow join, take it out and then bring it in, escape, and the last one here, left click, right click, disallow join, then zoom out, zoom in, not zoom in but bring up and down. Then this is fixed. Now the next thing is we need to create a step here. To do so, I need what we can do, we can create a section. So the section is in view, section, and then the section needs to be parallel to the grid. So left click, then left click, then the two blue arrows, bring this back. If you don't see the blue dotted line, make sure that in extends the crop view is selected, the crop region is selected, and then make sure that you have clip with line. Then once that's done, move out the line, so that line should start before the wall and this line should cover the wall and finish just after. That's one section, and that section can be found now in sections here. Section 1, we can call this section A, so it's the same as the elevation, and then we can create another section that way using the mirror draw axis, left click, then I would like to choose the middle of the column or the intersection of two grids, left click, zoom out, left click, modify, and that section I would like to call which is this one, B. Rename B. Okay. So let's start with this wall. That step needs to be on the left hand side. Double click that. The crop region can be extended. Maybe not this way. Actually, we can leave just for the wall. Left click, edit profile, then left click, find the midpoint of actually this time we'll create the step somewhere here. So select, create a line somewhere in the middle, then annotate a line. We can align from here, here, and then find the points that is in the middle of the column, left click, then in empty space left click, and then equal. Escape, delete dimension, then this should go down, so copy down 1200, enter, escape, trim, and trim this, this, and this. Finish it. 3D, what we have it, we have this part. Now I would like to also add structure, foundation, then that's not the right side, that's not the right type, I think. Let me see. If it's not, we can still select it and we can change for Kia burning footing. That's the right one now. Here we can do the same. Select the existing one, right click, create similar, and select that wall and that wall. If we go to top of footing view, we can check if that works. Somehow it does, but let's see if we can make this better. Doesn't work here, so we need to zoom, we need to extend it, move it out and then back, and Revit will clean it up. The same here, select it, move it out and then in. Let's see what's going on here. Out and in. Revit doesn't want to clean. The reason is because we added the profile before. So what we can do, we can select the wall and then we can reset the profile. Now Revit clean it up. But once we reset the profile, what happened is we lost that step. But we can do it again. If we go to section A, select the wall, edit profile, line, create line somewhere here, annotate a line, then place somewhere here, equal, escape, select dimensions, delete. This line needs to be copied down 1200, enter, escape, trim, and we want to trim those to create this step. Finish edit mode, then this column should have base offset minus 1200. That's okay. Let's see in 3D. Okay, that works. Now that wall also needs that step. L01, then the section view, select this wall. This time we'll create the step on this side. Edit profile, line, the line should be somewhere here. Annotate, then from here to here, and then to this, to the middle of the column, where is the blue dot, left click, equal, escape, delete dimension, then select the line, copy down 1200, enter, escape, trim this line to that one, those, and this corner here. Escape, finish edit mode. That should work. The last thing we want to do with the footing here and with the foundation, we want to create this step and make the footing continue all the way around. So structure, component, model in place, foundation, structural foundations, okay, then step footing number 3, extrusion, pick a plane, okay, then pick plane that is a side of the footing. You need to use the tab key to get the right part. This is the right part, left click, and then create the shape, draw, that's fine, depth -800, that's fine, Kia concrete, that's perfect, then the line. This time we are going to create the line for 800, enter, escape, 300 that way, enter, then join the corners and the same here, finish and finish, then join the footing with this part, and that should look good. Section A, do the same, structure, component, model in place, structural foundation here, okay, stepped footing number 4, extrusion, pick a plane, I will choose this plane, line -800, Kia concrete, perfect, that was 800, down to this, then 300, enter and join both corners, finish, edit mode, finish model, and join this part with this one. 3D view, we should have this kind of step now. I would like to check all our plans if that looks correct. It does here. Yes, that looks good. Now, because we have new steps, I would like to add more annotation, more levels, create similar. This should be somewhere here. And one more. We can do it. Let's do it that way. So you see this has changed since the footing moved down.